me there's no better way of riding these roads up these mountains than on a bike. Man, this white Honda CR-V, come on, man. Maybe I can go now.
If you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right?
It's just weird because Aprilia claims you can get 165 from stock, and they have one too smaller in front, so I want to know how. Downhill off a cliff, maybe? I don't know. Maybe when you slide out and it goes off the 18.
Yeah. Alright, we're here. My camera didn't work on our way up here. But this is Big Bear. We rode up all the way to Big Bear. Got the FZO9 Aprilia RS Tuono. Got the Honda CBR 1000 and the KTM. So we're going to go back down the hill, go back home, which is a real quick ride up to Big Bear. Fernando on that CBR 1000R, dude is so fast, man, on that thing. He's got the 360 in the back, and then the Aprilia Tuono 1100 up there, he's pretty good too. So anyway, quick ride. It did rain on our way up here. Again, I wasn't able to get the footage, but I'm hoping one of these other guys got the footage and I'm able to show you guys. So alarm pressure, interesting. Yeah, so here we go. Enjoy the ride. I think I'm gonna do a 1-year review on the RS660. I got it back in, gosh, I want to say May or June, or maybe a little bit earlier than that. Can't remember. But so I'm gonna do a review. And I think that'll be good for the channel. I think some of you guys who are thinking about getting the RS660, you know, and I'll even go over on how to use the screen and some of the things that they have. Yeah, so I think that'll be cool. And you know, there are a lot of negatives about the bike. You know, I go on social media and people are saying, oh, I got this, oh, you know, oil leak, all this kind of stuff. Yeah, I mean, I've had a little problems, but to me, it's been worth it. This bike is, I mean, unfortunately for me, I have Aprilia dealerships, like 3 of them within an hour of each other. I got one, Malcolm Smith, which I'll never take to again. They're about 25 minutes from me. I got Pro Italia, which is about 35 minutes in Glendale. I haven't gone there yet to take my bike, but I've been there for other things, just to go shopping and stuff. And the guys are really good, and I'm gonna take it there for an oil change. Now I've never done an oil change on a bike, but it looks pretty simple, and I am gonna do my own oil changes. You know, don't worry about that. But I'm gonna take it to Pro Italia to see how they do. I want to see their service and just their overall process, because I need a place to take the Aprilia for service when I need to do the big service, valves and all that kind of stuff. So I'm not taking it to Malcolm Smith, and I'm not going to go over right now on why, other than their service sucks. So anyway, I'll leave it at that.
When I get in, I take a shower, read a book and feel empowered.
Dude is so fast on these corners. Oh, okay. There we go.
Killing these cats with their facilities, flush down the drain, living through all 8 lives till that become their centerpiece. Fold and be a masterpiece.
If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me.
That's on me.
If I fold and I sell out, that's weak.
I know that's weak.
That's why I take my time.
That's why I take my time.
Before I make my mind.
Before I make my mind up.
And I do this like 7 days out of the week.
I do this daily.
And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep.
I'm going crazy.
I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we be taking everything for granted, no lie. Cause I remember days that we could barely get by.
Oh yeah.
Used to use the negativity to get high. But now the comments we reading can ruin our lives. Why? It used to be easy back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though now it's lobster, all on top of my pasta. I can still feel locked up, like the head of a roster. Cause they'll take your soul.
But sometimes I don't know if I'm going fast enough, don't know if I'm going too fast. And like there, I kind of knew we should have kept going straight and stayed left, so I wanted to wait and make sure that I was going the right way. So, it's all good. Coming up to some cars anyway.
And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we can learn from other people's failures sometimes. I used to make believe and tell a plethora of lies. Now I see how actions take effect on my life. Cause I don't even have
coming in quick.
that this family of mine.
This car trying to race us. What the heck? Look at this car, man.
I can still feel lost cause every day I wonder. Yeah, will they take my soul from right up under my nose and make me feel like I did?
Oh, he is getting over.
I mean, it's good when you get it, but it don't last that long. Cause I promise you can't take it with you when you
like, dude, you're not gonna keep up with some lights on the twisties in a Suzuki car, that is, not a Gixxer.
And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much.
Maybe I should have went down the second gear because I'm kind of behind everyone. But I think I'm alright. Better go down to 2. There we go. Look at that view. This freaking Subaru's behind me.
What's good, Dama?
Man, back there when I was revving it, I guess it has a rev limiter.
We hit another quarter. 50s in a carry-on, felt like a transporter. It's a privilege to know me. That's 100 on my broski. 1-2 punch, then this thing hitting fully. Fresh pot of gumbo and we back up on our belly. When you buy down, my shout out to the boy Cushy. Now I'm everything I could be. Shades on with a hoodie. Think I puff a little something, so you think I got my eyes closed. These is one and none, no baby, these is not close. Getting so much chicken blockheads out of top clothes. Getting so much packs like we gotta skin a barcode. Getting so much aim cause we working out of ice. Should've went Indies, but you didn't.
bottom.
Yo, check the gas box, 'cause they open up the door to cheese food. Smoke clouds follow while we hit another quarter. 50s in a carry-on, feel like a transporter. It's a privilege to know me, that's 100 on my broski. 1-2 punch, damn this thing hitting fully. Fresh pot of gumbo when we back up on our belly. Beat by diamond, shout out to the boy Cushy. Now I'm everything I could be, shades on with a hoodie. Hey, you know that hoodie ice so when we touch stage, and you know that it's a light show. If you ain't got no side, then you can't join the site, bro. She's in the hood doing stickers with a rifle. I just keep it business, been it fine, really like that. She was tryna front, but she still let me bite. Think if I can stay fat, I don't need lipo. Saving up my breath for insurance like Geico.
See, that was all front brake. Although I think I braked a little bit too much there. And if you think you're going a little too wide, just put more, you know, lean the bike more. If you lean the bike more, it'll get you there. And make sure you're looking through the turn. Look through the turn. Almost down. I'm tired, so that's good. It was a good ride. Well, I just want to thank everyone for watching. For those that watched all the way through, I'm going to try to make them shorter, but stay tuned for the review. I should do a review in the next few days or so. I would say next week. But thank you. Hey, if you're riding, ride safe. God bless. And make sure you do what you do now, what you can do. Do what you can do now. Don't wait later. Peace.